Hi everyone. Do you like to acquire customer without any investment? Then look at this video from starting to end. So I am Anuj Bhardwaj, digital marketer, entrepreneur, and marketing consultant. So if you want to acquire your customer without investment, what shall you do? In present time, we have different digital channels through which you can acquire customers. So, what are those channels? The very first channel you are looking right now, YouTube. So, you can make videos related to your niche. One video of at least 10 minutes every day. It will be enough. But yes, it will take time to grow. But you don't have to invest money, you have to invest a little time. Second, social media handles. You can share different kind of contents, for example written contents, gif, small videos on social media handles like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, and everything else. So it will help you to get customer without much investment. So what are the steps? So the very first step, to identify kind of your customer. For example, if you are focusing on female audience, you need to go to Pinterest. So post different kind of content every day. Do not forget to post video, GIF, written content, photos, all kind of content on all channels. And do research that where you are getting better response, or if you can do research in advance, do it in advance. Find out that where is your prospect, your future customer. Now, either after posting some videos and some other contents, either you will get to know that where is your prospect is, or in advance identify the platforms where your existing prospects are present or they hang out there. Then focus on those channels. And yes, YouTube, you must focus on YouTube. Just post a video of 10 minutes daily on YouTube. It will give you organic reach, and these things will help you to get customer, but it will take some time. In just one day you are not going to get customers, and you have to keep it in a regular ways, regular methods. For example, if you are have female audience, you will focus on Pinterest. If you are focusing on high ticket clients, then focus on LinkedIn. YouTube is common for everyone. And yes, about YouTube, do not monetize your YouTube channel. Yes, you are listening correct. Don't monetize YouTube channel, because some digital marketer will put ad on your channel and they will take away your audience. So if you are on YouTube to acquire audience for yourself or for marketing purpose, do not monetize. And if you are for earning purpose you are doing, you can do so, because many YouTubers invest their time on YouTube for earning. They monetize their channel. And some marketers you see, mostly digital marketers, remain on YouTube just to share free content. After sharing this free content, people they get benefit, and when people they get benefit, maybe some people will take service or buy your products, and if they are not buying, still they are getting help from your videos. So this is very good for everyone, but it will take some time. In YouTube I think it will take a year. For example, this video which I am making, it will take at least a year, but after an year people will watch and remember me that yes, he is a digital marketer. It will help me a lot to acquire customer. It will help my team to give better performance. And if you are not doing marketing for your product or for making your business a different brand, make authority, then during this time it is quite hard to survive, and it is quite easy to survive by doing marketing in this way. Now let us discuss about social media. In social media, Facebook, however, Facebook reach is a little bit low, but you can identify that on which platforms your prospects are, and you will join those groups, then post free content on them so that they shall realize you. And during putting the free content, don't think that this is a secret. Why shall I sell? Why shall I tell? It will help me in sales. No, just give them free content. Either they will buy your product or they will get help from you at least. And I don't think that helping someone is bad. So now you are giving free content on Facebook groups where your prospect is, and in your Facebook posts. Now let us go to Instagram. On Instagram, put maximum story as much as you can, so it will make your marketing very good. Then on LinkedIn, give post on daily basis, and one article every week, probably on Saturday eve. It will help you to grow through marketing. And make a 1 minute video every day and post it on all the social media handles, so it will help you to grow organically. Slowly you will see that your marketing is increasing day by day. People are knowing your name. It will help you to make your brand, your business famous. Then there is Pinterest. It have female audience. There you can make pins on different boards. On Quora, if you make your proper profile, people will come and ask you questions, due to which your brand will get famous. And if possible, make a private place where people can make complaints. It will also help you to improve your business. So this 1 minute video will be very essential for your growth. Now if you like to ask any question regarding these things, you can ask here. And one more important thing, R&D. Do R&D, that how can we grow more. I have given you basic concepts right now. As much as you can do research, do it. It will help you to grow. And a very small solution, if you can invest some money, have a virtual assistant. He will do all the things for you. Virtual assistant is also freelancer, and that is why people are hiring virtual assistant. They will take care of your social media handles, YouTube channels, etc., etc. And no more investment is required, but just do it. Your business will definitely grow. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching.